Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an API to give a like to poll in Spring Boot application. So let's get started. Inside this interface, let me define here the method with a name. This method will get the poll ID in the argument, and the return type of this method that we have likes DTO. Let me import this. After adding this method in poll service, let me open here poll service implementation class. In this class, let me implement here the method with the name give like to poll. Inside this method, let me call here the poll repository and the query find by ID. Inside the argument, we have to pass here ID. On the left side of this, let me create an object of optional poll. After retrieving the poll by ID, I'm going to get here an optional user by calling the function from JWT util that we have get logged in user. On the left side of this, let me create here an object of user. After getting a logged in user, I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check here user not is equals to null and optional poll is present. Then we have to move inside the if block. Otherwise, we have to return here null. Now inside the if block, I'm going to create here an object of likes. After creating an object, first I'm going to set here user where we have to pass here user. With this, I'm going to set here poll. Here inside the argument we have to pass here optional poll dot get. At the last I'm going to call here likes repository. So first we have to inject here likes repository inside the poll service implementation class. So it will be a private final likes repository. After injecting it, let me call here likes repository and the query save. Inside the argument we have to pass here like object and we have to return here get likes DTO and it will be a return. As you can see, the implementation of get likes DTO function inside the likes entity. This is a helper function that will convert the entity to DTO. After that, let me open here poll controller. From this, I'm going to copy this function. Let me add here after the get my polls function. So a mapping that we have get URL that we have slash poll slash like slash ID, name of a function give like to poll. So we have to get poll ID from URL. So let me add here the notation at the rate path variable data type long variable name ID. Now inside this function, I'm going to call the function from poll service that we have give like to poll. Inside the argument, we have to pass here ID and this function will return likes DTO and it will be a like DTO. After getting the method response, we have to check here like DTO not is equals to null. Then we have to return the response with the status OK. And inside the body, we have to pass here like DTO. In case if a like DTO is equals to null, then we have to return here the HTTP status bad request. Now you can see the flow of a give like to poll API where from this controller we are calling a method from poll service, and as you can see the implementation of give like to poll method inside the poll service implementation class. That's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.